Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload project on Behance. So let's get started. First of all, let me just remind you real quick that you can simply upload your design on Behance by clicking on this option right over here, share your work, and then the project option. Just tap on that project option and then it will ask for the image, text, or whichever you like. So you can simply just upload your project. Like I have the image that I want to upload, so I will go with the image file. So if you are graphics design, you probably go with the image. Rather than that, if you are video editor, you can go with this option. And if you work with 3D animations or like Blender, you can work with these types also. So after, let's just open this image. So I will go with this image which I want to upload. So I will open that and it will take some time to upload. As you can see, that is uploaded. So after that, as you can see, we got the attach assets option. So from here you can upload the assets like the project file. Okay, the project file is simply for the graphics designer, PhD file, AI file, illustration file, EPS file. So there's a lot of things you can simply just upload as a asset. All right. So after that you can simply go and continue, tap on the continue, and now you can just simply give this project a title. Like my title is Discord failed to open. So after that you can simply just add some of the tags line, like it is a design or text or whatever it is. So I will go with the screenshot like this. Then you can go with the application mobile app as well. So after that you can just simply go with the categories that it is. So I will go with the graphics design. If you are sharing photography, so you can select that. And now what you can do is simply just go and made it for everyone so that everyone can see your project. After sharing the link, then what you can do is simply just publish it. And oh, I forgot to upload a cover for my project cover. So I will go and upload a project cover. So let's just go with this. Just it will take some time, as you can see. Then what you can do, just simply crop and go and publish it. And as you can see, we are publishing your project. So I hope this video might help you out in many ways. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not. So I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.